To create a new level that groups your data, go to the right-hand panel, then drag and drop the column that will serve as your grouping key. Levels and groups are one of the most powerful features in Sigma. They are a way to organize and analyze your rows of data based on a common characteristic called a grouping key. The rows that have the same value in the column used as a grouping key will be arranged in a group. Let's look at how levels and groups are used as a powerful tool in analyzing data. In this worksheet, every row represents quarterly revenue from different countries. Using truncate date, I'll create a column that shows the year of each invoice date. I'll use the column as the grouping key on a new level. Now, all of the rows in the spreadsheet are arranged in groups according to year. The name of the column that serves as a group key is under a header that says Level 1 and is displayed with a blue background. The column is still listed in the base columns, but there it has a gray background. This shows where the column is calculated and that it is currently being used as a group key. In the Sigma spreadsheet, when you create a group, the data from your column serving as your grouping key is moved to the left of your worksheet. The header at the top of the worksheet will show that there is now a Level 1, and the column serving as your grouping key appears with the same blue background. That column is no longer split into individual rows, but instead has white space to show how all of the rows to the right belong to the same group. Columns with calculations placed on levels apply to all of the rows in the groups. For example, we can create a column that calculates the yearly revenue. We'll use the aggregate function sum to add up all of the regional revenues. The results are displayed for each group of the level, which shows us the total revenue for each year. To make it easier to view the results of our calculation, I'll click the chevron icon on the spreadsheet to hide all of the data from the lower levels. Now we only see the columns with the year and the yearly total. You aren't limited to one group. You can have as many as you want. Let's look at what the yearly revenue is for each billing country. We can create a group with billing country as the group key, then create another aggregate to calculate the sum of the line item total. Because this aggregate sits on a different level, it gives different results, even though it is the same formula we use to calculate the yearly revenue. Sitting on the new level, which is grouped by year and billing country, it gives us the yearly total revenue for each country. You can see on the spreadsheet that each billing country displays after each year, showing you what the groups are on each level. To see the total for every unfiltered row in your worksheet, you can create a column under the totals header and use the same calculation. This shows you the total revenue for all time. Now that you know more about how groups and levels work, you're ready to explore your data in new ways. To learn more about how Sigma works, be sure to check out the rest of the videos from Sigma Academy.